Students, next is our 8th question. I am solving second part for you. In this, parallelogram is given and we have to find the value of x and y. As I have already told you that diagonals of the parallelogram bisect each other. It means this is equals to this and this length is equals to this length. So diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other, so we can write that x plus y is equals to 16 and y plus 7 is equals to 20. From this we get the value of y, that is taking 7 on the other side of equality, we get y is equals to 14. And since x plus y is equals to 16 and y is equals to 14, so putting the value of y here, we get x plus 14 equals to 16, and solving it we get x is equals to 2. Next is question number 9. In question number 9, this figure is given to us, and we have to find the value of x. There are two parallelograms given. RISC, R-I-S-K, RISC parallelogram and CLUE parallelogram, C-L-U-E. Now since both of these are parallelograms, and with the help of this figure we have to find the value of x, what we will do, we will use the properties of parallelogram. This is 120 degree. We will find this angle in this triangle, this S angle. So 120 plus S is equals to 180 degree, because adjacent angles of parallelogram are supplementary. So we get angle S is equals to 60 degree by subtracting 120 from 180. Then again in this parallelogram, CLUE parallelogram, this angle E is equals to 70 degree, because opposite angles are of parallelogram are equal, which I have written in this parallelogram CLUE. Angle L is equals to angle E. Opposite angles of parallelogram are equal, so it is 70 degree. Now since we have to find angle X, in this triangle EOS, angle E and angle S are already found. So angle E plus angle O plus S, angle O plus angle S is equals to 180 degree by angle sum of triangle. That is 70 plus x plus 60 is equals to 180 degree. Adding 70 plus 60 and subtracting from 180, we get x is equals to 50 degree. Next is question number 10. Question number 10 is, explain how this figure is a trapezium. This figure, how it is a trapezium and which of the two sides are parallel. Looking at the figure, students, this line is parallel to this line, it is clear, and these two angles, adding both of these angles we get 180. So this is the reason we will say that KL is parallel to MN and KLMN is a trapezium, because 100 plus 80 gives 180. The reason is sum of this is the reason that sum of interior opposite angles is 180. That's why it is a trapezium. Alright, next coming to question number 12. In question number 12, we have to find the value of angle P and angle S. Find the measure of angle P and angle S. If SP is parallel to RQ, in your book SP box RQ, like this they have written. Box, it is not box, it is parallel. This is the symbol of parallel, right? Just correct it, it is parallel. Wherever box is made, small box, light colored small box is made, it is not box, it is the sign of parallel, which should be written like this. Now, in this, we have to find angle P and angle S. Again, we will use the property that sum of interior opposite angles is 180 degree. Since angle R is equals to 90 degree, so angle S is also of 90 degree, because 90 plus 90 gives 180. Angle R plus angle S, adding both of these will give 180. So angle R is 90 degree, it is given to us. Angle S will be 90 degree, subtracting 90 from 180 degree. Similarly, angle Q plus angle P, it is also equals to 180 degree, because angle P plus 130 degree is equals to 180. So angle P gives 150 degree. This is the, but students, this is the property of a trapezium, that one pair of opposite sides is parallel, and the sides which are parallel to each other, on that side we have to find the sum of interior opposite angles, not both, not to according to non-parallel. If right, so because this is 130 and this is 90, it doesn't make 180. We have to use the parallel sides only. Okay, questions which I am leaving, that is your homework. Understand the video properly. If there is any problem, then you can ask me. Otherwise, solve your exercise in your fair notebooks. Okay, thank you.